Hello everyone, welcome back to the series on Indian mathematics, Ganita Ratna Kosha. We will continue looking at the flag division method. So, we will look at how we can leverage vinculums or negative digits in the flag. For example, if I was dividing 32043 by 48, now 48 in vinculum form is 5 bar 2. Now, let us see what happens if I divide with 5 bar 2. So, I am dividing 3, 2, 0, 4, 3 by 5 bar 2. So, the flag is a negative digit. So, this is the remainder line as usual, one flag digit, one digit from the right. So, let us start dividing. So, 32 goes 6 times, 5 6 is 32. I carry over 2 as 20 to the next place. And then 2 into 6, this is minus 2, right? Minus 2 into 6 is minus 12. Since I subtract each time, now when I subtract minus 12, it becomes plus 12. So, if the flag digit is negative, the adjustment is an addition, not a subtraction. So, this gives me 32 again. This is again 6 times. Then 2 carry forward as 20. Then 2 6 are 12 plus 12 because the flag is negative. So, this becomes 36. So, 5 7s are 35, 10 carried forward plus 14. So, 13 plus 14 is 27. So, the answer is 667, remainder 27 of the division 32043 by 48. If you notice, this is slightly simpler than trying to do the same division with 48, because you will run into 8 table and potentially one of the quotients might become negative, and then you will have to go back and adjust. So, vinculums are especially useful in flag division. Let us look at one more example. So, let us say dividing 38 here is nothing but 4 bar 2. So, I will divide with 4 bar 2. So, 277 divided by 4 bar 2. See what happens. So, 4 7s are 28 or 4 6 are 24. 24, 30 carried forward plus 12. So, this is 49. But 49, if you notice, is greater than the divisor 38. So, which means I need to divide it once more. So, 48 I divide 49, when I divide by 38, I get 1 remainder 11. So, what happens is 49 gets divided once again. So, 1 goes into the quotient and 11 is the remainder. So, the answer of the division is 7, remainder 11. 6 plus 1 is 7. So, that is how if at all in the process we get a remainder which is greater than the divisor, we just have to divide the remainder with the divisor once again and add the quotient to the quotient, and remainder, whatever is left as the remainder, will become the remainder. That is the only thing we need to remember. We can also, there is one more way of doing it. So, let us say we are 277 by 4 bar 2. Now, 4 6 are, when I took 6 as the quotient, the remainder was 3. So, I carried forward as 30, but I can also say 4 7s are 28. When 4 7s are 28, then I have minus 1, which goes to the next stage as minus 10. So, this is minus 10. So, what is carried forward is minus 10. Then I have the adjustment plus 14, 2 into 7. So, 14 plus 7, 21 minus 10 is 11. So, here also we get 7, remainder 11. So, either we get a bigger remainder and then we divide by the divisor once again, or we can take the quotient one number extra and deal with a negative carry forward. So, as long as you are comfortable with dealing with negative digits in all places in a number, you will be better off with this, otherwise you can follow this method. One last division, just to show the process once again. If I am dividing 5 4 5 4 5 by 29 is 3 power 1. So, one line is the remainder line. So, I start dividing. 3 ones are 3 and 20 carried forward plus 1. This gives me 25. 3 8s are 24. Then 1 goes forward as 10. Then plus 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. Again 3 7s are 21. 2 carried forward as 20. Then plus 7. So, this is 31. Now, here 31 divided by 3 is 10. So, we write it as 10. Only thing we have to remember is this 1 will will pass eventually to the next place, because each of these places in the quotient can have only one digit. So, 3 10s are 30, then 1 carried forward plus 10. So, 1 into 10 is 10. So, this is 15 plus 10, 25, which is less than the divide the 29. So, we are fine. So, the quotient here is 1880, remainder 25. That is the answer of the division 54545 by 29. I have given a few more problems to try in the notes. Please do try it out. By the time you do 10-15 of these divisions, you will start getting familiar with all the scenarios and how to handle them. You will also find the solutions on the Bharat Gyan website, but in case you have any clarifications or suggestions, please do feel free to write to me. Thank you.